Okay, so Revati went to the Pimpri market in Pune to get a couple of things for home decor. We did not want to hire a decorator and pay that extra amount because it did not make sense to us because we can install all these by ourselves. So this is the decoration, these are the decoration items that we need to decorate this house. I'm going to be sitting here for my mehendi, so we're going to have like flowers hanging here and on this side. So it's going to be like an L-shaped floral setup, and yahan pe we're going to have fairy lights that go like this all the way on the ceiling, so it's going to light up this area. And we're also going to decorate the entrance doors outside. So looking at the material, I'm very very happy. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये हो जाएगा इसमें. And I think we have 60 of these or 120? 60 of 60. Oh yeah, we have 60 of these, and they'll be enough. And we have fairy lights as well, and we also have like separate floral items and malas for the entrance.
Oh, they
So
haven't
we're gonna-
seen
oh,
the
yeah.
baskets.
Oh yes, the baskets. So I have like a couple of ideas in my mind that I want to do and make this whole setup very very different and pink. So we also got a couple of very nice baskets. वो शायद वो घर. Oh no, they're right there. So these are the pink baskets that are going to have floral petals. Flower petals in this. So we'll place it diagonally and fill this up with petals, and then they'll be all over the floor. अब वो होने के बाद ही, you know, people will get an idea, like you all will understand what we're exactly trying to do. Now we just have to look at cushion and pillow covers for the decoration, because it has to match the entire setup. It's going to be a very pink situation altogether, and we're going to start decorating tomorrow. So we'll obviously take you through that, but this is the whole situation for now.
वही है क्या एक्स्ट्रा?
ये वाला है क्या?
What's that?
हाँ वही है लिप मास्क Laneige.
Oh wow.
Berry.
Oh yeah, it's really nice. Anyway, this is what we all have done. These are 60 garland hanging
Garlands.
malas, and we had to join them together to get like a longer mala. Yeah, longer version of it. So just finished joining everything. Now there are 30 of them, and this is like 10 feet. I have to install all this at home. ये सब clear करना, my house is a mess. We're going to be clearing this thing off, and then we're going to start putting up these. पहले I think we'll do the doors. That's like the easier part, and then थोड़ा dad का help लगेगा to do the rest of the things. But yeah, that's that. Oh, we also have to practice our dance.
अभी प्रैक्टिस करने नहीं.
हाँ ठीक है
बाद में
ना?
प्रैक्टिस
अभी नहीं कर सकते ना?
नहीं.
So we'll do that later anyway. All this we have to do. So when we're decorating the house, we will take you all with us and show you all what we're doing. We've started the decor and we have fixed the first mala of one house, and we have to do the other one after this. So we're just trying to understand how to place it on this door so we can do the same for the next one. And then we're going to start cleaning this area and setting up the wall. And on this side we're going to do fairy lights, which we probably need my dad's help for. Oh, my hair is so bad. Anyway, we'll show you the final result once it's done.
मैं भी मना करती.
Very random, but I believe it.
Oh good.
So, मैं comment ही करना है क्या?
हाँ कर लिया.
मैंने कर ली. So the bride is doing her own decor here.
Yeah, the bride is a little too particular about all this. So I just hope nobody opens the door. सीधा अंदर ही जाऊँगी. अच्छा ये निकाला है नहीं स्टिकर मैंने. ओ ये निकाला मैंने. हाँ वही तो मैं.
Here.
So pretty, this is
Yeah.
very pretty. I'll have to put one more tape, no?
Yeah, on it.
And the other part.
Cool.
Looks nice.
Looks good, no?
Clumsy.
Okay, Nazi can do it. But the problem is
The problem
Yeah,
is
the problem is this will be half shut, which is okay, right?
It's okay, the door is going to be open.
Yeah, that's what we can come. And then we can do like a little bit of something here also later if we have flowers left.
तो अंदर का पहले हाँ.
Or if we need more flowers, then we can get these only, na? I love the decor. Let's go in. अभी बचता है बाकी का decor, which I think we'll need. I think what we'll do is we'll remove the center table खुद से ही, and then we can do the center for this setup. This I think we just have to unplug. Okay.
and take it out.
Oh no. Yeah. नहीं भाई ये प्लग है. Dad को ही कर.
The struggle is real, guys.
My strong ladies have literally tilted the entire sofa and they're taking it inside. My dear Revati is installing everything. Geet and I are helping her out. Do you like what you see?
Of course, that's lovely.
Now it feels like we are starting the wedding. Almost done.
So we'll have a lot of them, not a lot, no? Some of them remaining. Oh, we have a lot of them remaining.
Yes, we do. We have some there, some here.
ये छूट गया.
Yeah, अच्छा. Going well. I think the extra ones we can just try to do something here or something like that.
Nice.
I love this pink. This pink look pinks. This pink looks very very fresh. Very nice.
और कितना बचा है?
There are a couple of them. तो देखते हैं कहाँ कैसे लगाना है ना.
You can put two here also.
Yeah.
सीधा वॉश बेसिन में गिरूं क्या? मैं गिरी तो. We need one more tape, ना? We can. Do we have one more tape?
हाँ, one more thing
हाँ.
for now.
We'll just wrap this up.
Looks so pretty.
It goes till down. It's done.
It's done. It's so beautiful, ना? And after looking at इतना pink मेरे घर में, it just feels so nice. I also feel like I am getting married. शादी होने वाली है. And yeah.
Sorry.
Hi. Yeah, he saw.
How are you? कैसा लग रहा है?
Hi.
कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत बढ़िया. It really looks nice, but बाहर बहुत कम है.
Yes, पक्का. We have the tokeris also, auntie, that are gonna go outside.
No, they'll go inside only. No,
We have a lot.
we have 12. No, we have
Yeah,
10.
टोकरीज है.
We have
10 to.
But
8
you know that
टोकरीज.
hanging वाले चाहिए.
Only
यार, नहीं मिलेगा.
2, 2, 2 different
No,
sizes.
3, 3.
और मिल जाएगा if you want.
2, 3, 3 कितना है? 8.
Sorry.
मैथ्स में मैं आगे जा रही हूँ.
Extra, we put it on the staircase ऐसा.
दोई.
Not on the doors, I'm saying. Na, let's not do
डोर में
it.
भी कम हो गए हैं.
Upper
भगवान के पास
saying,
भी चाहिए.
upper saying this is enough for the door. It's
Your
looking nice.
upper or not?
Nice content.
We'll put this on the staircase and then you
यार
see.
घर में शादी का घर बाहर से नहीं लग रहा है. ये this is anybody will do this decoration for their house outside.
इसको रंगोली आता है.
रंगोली.
So we can put rangoli
सब बच्चे
outside, हाँ.
करके चल के चढ़ के बिगड़ के सब जाएंगे.
Then it look nice.
हाँ.
And then we'll get
I don't think we need more decor,
glass wala
honestly.
cake box, uske andar flowers
But
lage
okay,
na.
she wants more decor, we'll do more decor.
It's an Indian wedding.
Yeah. Okay, this house is done. This is the house that we have taken on rent since the past almost 10 years, and this is my house, which Revati and Geeta decorating.
He's in Pune only. Yeah, he's in Pune.